always keep some zip ties. You never know when you might have to choke a bitch.
It's an everyday thing, it's an everyday thing, it's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
Alright, what it do everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Now I'm back on the scene, crispy and clean. Alright, so the other day I took my my weed eater back because it was messing up and I had a 2-year warranty. So I guess since it's the day of showing y'all shit and I gotta, you know, hook y'all up with some new shit, I'll show y'all. I took it back and I got this for basically free because I paid $25 and they wouldn't let me get another one. They wouldn't let me get another 2-year warranty, which that would have been nice, but oh well. So this is the Toro 18 something. Let's see here, what's the name of this? 2-cycle straight shaft gas trimmer. Shit, that sound freaky than a motherfucker. But compatible with all this other stuff. And you know what? I need to get that. I need to get that little edger thing. They got a beaver blade, yep. Yeah, I need to get that. So I guess that's gonna be one of my next little projects. Oh no, actually, I'm about to fix my razors. I'm gonna go get some new blades. I'm gonna fix my razors tomorrow with new blades. So I got that razor from Facebook and I'm gonna fix that to make it a sharper blade. So I gotta go buy a blade and then I gotta take that blade and I gotta, you know, do some nigga rigging to some shit. Right there. All right. This don't take long to do. It only take 5 minutes, so. Brand new out the box. I already know how to put this together. Real men don't use instructions, we just put shit together. And I can tell you one thing, this was a little difficult because this part right here. I remember last time I put it on backwards. So. It comes with a 2-cycle. But on the box it says use ethanol treatment. So this is some ethanol treatment, I guess, or whatever for the 2-cycle, some 2-cycle oil. But I put 100% gas in there, so I ain't worried about it. Plus I already got some pre-mixed, so it's not a big deal. And so here's another thing. So this should be pretty simple. All right. Another tough thing that it took me a while to figure out was this thing right here, because I was like, how the hell do you put this thing on? It don't make no sense. But here, well, my friends, I still don't know. Oh, this is how it goes. This is how it goes.
Showing up on the beat. Showing up on the beat.
Like they say in Snoop Dogg videos, should have kept the plastic on it. But you know I don't give a damn. Alright, so let's get this on first, then once I get it on, then I'm gonna line it up right. That's in a good position. So I'm gonna tighten it all the way up.
Showing up on the beat.
You can actually, there's different ways to set this up based on your model or whatever you got. So I just got it regular. Now I'm gonna fill it up and do everything later. It's too hot, I'm not gonna cut nothing, but I just wanted to put this together for y'all. See, cause having a man around the house can do a lot of shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. On to project number 2. I think I want to use, I don't know what the fuck they had going on here. It's bullshit. So I'm gonna cut this shit off of here. So I'm gonna get this string out of here.
Showing up on the beat.
Cut it out the way. Say give it to God. That's what I just did. Gave it to God. So now I'm going to be using this pole for this, and I wonder if it's doable. I don't see why not. Oh, maybe.
Showing up on the beat.
Always keep some zip ties. You never know when you might have to choke a bitch.
Showing up on the beat.
Trash. So now, got this. These are my fishing poles that I found. And I'm gonna just be honest. This shit look nigga rigged like a motherfucker. so this don't get tangled up, I'm gonna tie this on here.
Showing up on the beat.
Ready to go fishing. I got how to use this thing.
Showing up on the beat.
Oh shit. Fish. That works perfectly. So, what I just did, I took, these are the ones that I found. And yes, I took this one. And I may just be able to get another piece of this, because look, man. It looks like this is a detachable one. Like you can detach this from here. So I'm not gonna get rid of the pole because I still could find another end. Because the pole looks really, really good. Tougher than this one. I'm trying to see. It say lightning rod from Berkley. So if you know anything about a lightning rod, let me know. They look about the same, and this one's heavier. So I'm gonna keep that one in. But shit ghetto is fucked though. But I got two. This is a brand new one. It's short. I'm finna go get some reel for it. But it's shorter. So I think that other one's gonna do me better. Like even compared to this one, this was broke. And it's way shorter. So that other one's better, man. I like that black one.
Showing up on the beat.
Lastly, I got another short one. So this one, again, just needs the reel. But so this is just the extra one. I'm gonna keep. This is a Zebco. So I don't know, just another one I could get something for the kids, something cheap. And this one, I'm gonna throw this other piece away. Save this for another time. And here you go. There you have it. It's time to go fishing and weed wagging. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for its neighbors. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Alright, neighbors, everyday people, that was it for today. I'll holler at you. Peace.